see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. I want you
It
to
looks good.
I want you to finish all this. I don't mind if you're not gonna eat them, okay? This one, the chips, but this one I want.
It
Empty.
looks yummy. That was crunchy.
I told you. Mayroon siyang cold sore. So, linagyan namin ng cream.
I had to put.
After dentist niya, the next day, mayroon siyang cold sore. Okay. Yan yung lunch niya for today. And yan yung snacks. And sa boys, eto, yung kaysa kinuha niya na.
How am I to eat these?
I have here. You want some?
Thank you.
Okay, I'll do this.
I'll go get my cup.
Good afternoon. It's Monday. And nagluto na ako kasi mamaya pipick upin natin si Holly. So, ito yung dinner, puchero. Ayan. Yan lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung dinner namin. Ready na yan mamaya with rice. And nagpapakulo ako ng broccoli for myself. Dinalan ko siya ng ice candy. Ito yung ginawa natin kahapon.
Yes. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Oh, wait.
You have to remove the
What?
top first.
Yeah, I bought it.
Ah.
It's not hard. Oh, look at the mango. It's not hard, but it's like a slushy.
Smooth.
They're good. I was like, because you said to me, do you miss Lola making ice candy? And I was like, yes. And then you showed up this. Mm.
Tapos na yung dance niya. Dito tayo sa Coles. Patapos na kami actually. Ayan na yung... Put it there, Papa. Bili ka ng mga snacks. Okay, Papa. Hi! Come on, baby. What do you think? Which one? Bili tayo ng bagong Wallis Tambo. That one or this one?
This one, because once you touch it and then you tuck it in the bin,
Ah,
it's going to get
okay.
spin.
You're right. Okay, get that one.
$21. That's
Can you
That's actually not that.
can you carry it?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, at least like
No, we don't need that one. Okay. Need more bathroom cleaner.
bathroom.
Yeah, spray.
Shower.
Yeah, we still have that one, but I'm looking for the ito, not this one. Ito, try nga natin to.
Bath and shower.
Yeah. No other color, Baba. The one we have is white and green. Do they have white? Oh, I like white. No, ito gusto ko sana yung ito ba? Kaysa green, but it's okay. It's alright. Yeah.
How do you even take this off?
This one. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna look for our bathroom.
Did you get
I still have this one.
glass and window cleaner?
Yeah, I still have this one. I think we're good. No, I still have that one. I still have that one. Let's go. Thumbnail. All right. Okay. 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 We're good. We're done, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go to eat your puchero.
That's what it's called?
Oh, yeah, puchero. Are you gonna eat the ice candy again?
Yes, and now I'm after tea. It's so good.
Si Zach tumawag kanina.
Who's that person?
Yeah. We had one already. Or maybe more. Oh, wala na naman silang ano. Kaya ayoko na mag-grocery like madamihan kasi wala na silang yung wala na ba dyan sa cashier, ikaw na lang talaga ang mag-iska ng sarili mo.
Mom, every time
Nakakatamad nakakatamad ng mag-shopping sa Kohl's.
self-checkout,
Yeah, because they don't have anyone there.
everything.
Next time, kunti-kunti lang ang kunin ko dahil wala na talaga sila dyan. Wala nang tumutulong. Dami pa naman nating kinuha. Ha?
Looks like that.
Yeah, it's dirty. It's dirty. It's dirty.
Right.
Ay, nakakainis. Nagmamadali ka. Tapos ikaw mag-scan. And then ikaw ang magbabag. Tapos pagdating mo pa sa bahay, mapuput away. Ang dami reklamo dito. Nakakaasar lang. Sa Woolies, meron pang nag-scan. Kaso nga lang, mas sanay kasi ako dito sa Kohl's. Ang kinakaayawan ko lang na dito sa Kohl's, wala nang tao. Ikaw na mismo ang mag-scan. Lahat doon din, self-checkout. Tingnan, ang daming counter na hindi ginagamit. Tapos yun, sira, mayroong sorry, hindi pwede doon. Pangatlo tayo dito. Nagmamadali pa naman kami kasi you're going with Daddy
Yes.
to feed what?
Horse.
Yeah. Kasi 7 o'clock, magpipid sila ng, yun yung routine nila ng daddy niya. 7 o'clock, feeding horse.
That's
Yeah.
Can I sit?
Paano yan? Baka hindi ka makasama.
Ma, I'm just gonna be in this.
Meron akong kinuha for myself. Ayan, yung Harvest Snaps. Ano na siya? Resealable.
I get this.
And then siya kumuha ng, ano to?
Feastables.
Feast balls. Is it good? Mr.
Yeah,
Beast.
Mr.
And eto, yung chili. Ayan. Help me na, Papa, to put it there, please. Help me na.
Can I just put this here, Mom?
Yeah. Bahay na pala kami, guys. Ha?
Egg? No.
And ayan, kain na sila. Come on. And
Thanks.
habang kumakain sila, magpuput away ako ng aking. You're welcome. Ting, pinamili. Alright. Beb! Alright, habang sila kumakain, put away. Ha? What, ma? Rag? Nalaban ko kasi yung
Oh,
rag.
yeah, that's right. Jacko?
Here you go, babe. Just a spoon or?
Yeah, just a spoon.
My guitar, a lesser town. Drew my heart a letter wall. felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I played a Charles Bridge on our side, with your hand resting under mine. I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste. Walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love. This moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling down. Suddenly it's over now. But you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly. I will be the last to leave. I won't say a word, just let you breathe. I won't make a sound. I won't slow you down. I knew we were on borrowed time, just a passing streak, nothing you would keep. I fell in too deep. And as far as at least how I remember.
Good afternoon, guys. Yes, son? Okay. And, yeah. What? Ano si Jan? Nasa, napatid doon sa scooter ng mga bata. And si Kuya, meron siyang golf comp today. So, kanina pa yun. Alas 11 nag-tee off. And time is 2:15 na. Kakain pa lang ako. Nagpakula ko ng itlog. Then, meron tayo dito chicken na yung roasted chicken. So, magluluto na lang ako ng shirataki rice. Kung meron na tayo ditong veggies na grilled ko. Binoil ko muna ang saglit tapos grilled. And yung gagawin kong dinner sa mga mag-aama is yung Jamaican patties. So, yun, ipatry ko sa kanila. Then, nung isang araw, pumunta ko nung Friday, pumunta ako ng Asian store. Bumila ako ng papaya kasi gusto ko naman gawin yung Ilocos empanada. Kung maalala nyo, nung sa Bicol, may pinunta kami doon na nagtitinda ng Ilocos empanada kaso na sold out. Tapos, hindi na namin nabalikan. Hindi ko alam kung ba't di na namin nabalikan yon. Kasi sabi, balik daw kayo the next day. Pero parang hindi na kayo nakabalik. And bumila ako ng munggo kasi nga, yung empanadang yon, yung Ilocos empanada, mayroong munggo. So, try ko yung gagawin. Pero ang una kong gagawin muna is syempre yung dinner ng mga bata at ni Jan. But, kakain muna ako nito. Kasi wala pa tayong kain. Then, yung shirataki rice ko dito. So, yung vlog ko, iba-iba yung date. So, hindi ako nag-vlog every day. Kasi nga, ang dami ko na naman. Alam nyo na. Ang dami kong ini-edit. And si Sak gusto magpaluto ng bali eggs. Ayan na siya.
I want a bali egg.
Okay.
I didn't say all them eggs over there.
Gusto niya siya magkakain.
Wala.
Walang babasagin? Wala. O, sige. Dito na lang.
Okay. This is my yours.
So, crack 2, 4, 5.
5.
So, for you and sa... Kumain sila ng
Where did I put
nag-toast sila kanina.
one?
Just put it here.
Okay.
Pinapaint ko lang yung aking coffee maker kasi doon ako nagkukuha ng tubig. Yeah, just put it here. Salt and pepper. And habang ginagawa yan ni Holly, kung maalala nyo, may nabanggit ako sa inyo na gusto kong i-order na planchahan. Sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Mag-order ako ng kabayo. Yung dito lang ba sa ano, sa counter na magpa-plancha. So, ito siya. Wait, Baba ha. I'm just gonna unbox this. Is it 5 or?
Just need one more.
Okay.
And
So, tamang-tama. Magpa-plancha ako. Bukas na kanilang uniform. Okay, can you put this back there, please? Ay.
yes.
Wait lang. I-unbox ko lang ito sa agad. Hindi lang naman yan. So, eto siya. Dumating siya. Kano ito dumating? Isang araw ata. Pero ngayon ko pa lang
Do you
siya.
want me to whisk it?
Ha?
Whisk it?
Okay. Put salt and pepper. Yeah. Eto na. Meron dito sa Big W at saka sa Woolies. Ang kinuha ko is yung Woolies website. Ito yung Joseph na folding tabletop ironing board. So, ayan siya. Joseph. And my pander, Baba, ha?
Pardon?
Ay, ang dumi. Tingnan nyo.
Can I see? Dirty.
Yeah, I have to clean this, clean our bench.
I thought it was a table for a second.
Ito yung itsura niya.
You can bring that anywhere.
Ganito siya, guys. Pag magpa-plancha kayo dito sa, tabletop nyo. Ganyan. And then, pwede siyang isabit sa pintuan kasi may kabitan siya.
You can bring that anywhere, Mom.
We're not gonna bring this anywhere.
Well, I mean, you can. It's
Ayan, dito nyo ilalagay yung planchahan nyo. Oh. Tapos, pagtapos na kayo, pwede nyo isabit. So, dali lang siya. Yung ganito ko kasi, hindi ganitong brand. Ano na siya, kumukulaps na yung, yung tuhod. Ayan. Diba? Parang sturdy naman siya. Ay! Wala. Huwag mong pahiyain. Ayan. Dapat pala, ibuka siyang ganon. Pag ganon. Out. Okay.
so tiny.
Yeah. Ayan. So, may plancha na tayong bago.
Oh, that is nice.
Parang antas dito. Doon dapat ako sa table. Kasi kangalay. So, doon na lang sa table. But, yeah.
At least it's not too big. At least it's not too big.
I know. Yung kabayo namin, tinapon ko na. Matagal ko nang tinapon kasi nga, ginagamit ko na yung isa ka. So, nag-collapse na yung tuhod niya. Tapos, after, ayan, meron siya dito parang rubber. I-hook nyo lang dito. May hook dito sa ilalim. Para ma-fold nyo siya. Ayan na siya. Then, ayan. Sabit nyo sa likod ng pintuan or kung saan man. Maglagay nyo dito yung planchahan. Okay, magluto na tayo.
There you go, Mom.
Okay. Put this one outside, Baba, so that it can... Wait for this one. Okay, this one too. There's box there. Ito pa pala. Ano to? Meron dito. Okay. Meron dito. Meron ditong ganito. Tapos may screw. Para sa...
What's it for?
I'm not sure. That's why I'm looking. Okay. Pwede siyang i-screw dun sa kung saan nyo gustong isabit. Hindi na. Okay na yun. Hindi ko kailangan. Okay. Lutuan ko na sila ng Egg. Bali egg ang tawag nila dito eh. Luto na ako. Ako pala kinukuha yung tubig na mainit. Ayan. Ginagamit ko lang yung hot foam, pero hindi naman siya hot foam. Tubig lang siya. Ayan lang. Yan yung rice ko, ayan. Okay, tapos.
Oh, and now.
Yeah. Holly! What's ready?
You get sauce, please, Mom.
Huh?
Sauce.
Sauce? Ito yung ginawa kong chili oil. Chili garlic oil.
Can you pass me a fork, please? Thank you.
The broth is good.
Huh? The rice? Ang sarap niyan. And ito na yung rice. Okay, kain muna ko. Kasi mamaya gagawa ko ng dough para sa kanilang pasty. Tawag dito pasty. Yung gagawin ko ay Jamaican patties. So dito ang tawag nila pasty. Okay. Done already, Saki. Tapos na si Sak. And ayan yung akin. May dalawa akong hard-boiled.
Mom.
You're welcome. Hard-boiled eggs and kumang konting omelette. And kanina nakapag-walking na ako. Maaga tayo nag-walking kanina. Well, hindi maaga. Alas 10 na yun. But yeah, I'm done my walking for today. Bukas ulit. Okay guys, kain tayo.
It's so good.
It's so good. Sarap ng din, ng chili. Chili garlic. So, ito. Kahapon sila? What did you have for dinner last night?
Steak.
Steak sila kahapon.
So did that steak.
Niluluto ko na pala yung gagawin kong Jamaican patties. Ito na yung beef. And gagawa rin ako yung sa akin na maanghang. Ito kasi hindi maanghang. Yes? Ha? Ito pala gumagawa na ako ng aking dough para sa ating Jamaican patties. Ito yung hindi maanghang. And ito yung maanghang. Minamasa ko na siya. And yung kulay niya, halos magkapareho lang, pero wala siyang curry. Eto meron kasi. Turmeric lang yung nilagay ko dito. Okay. Yung oras na, 5:38 na. 6 o'clock ang dinner namin. So, dapat matapos ko na to. So, hati-hatiin ko lang siya.
Hypoallergenic and approved by dermatologists.
Okay.
Nothing cleanses like
120.
by Garnier.
6.5 na. And ayan, nilalagyan ko na ng feeling yung dough.
A 21-year-old woman is in a critical condition in Flinders tonight after a dramatic rescue at Brighton. She got into trouble while boogie boarding with off-duty lifeguards among those rushing to save her. Right before
Meron tayong tatlong isasalang na para makakain na si Jan. So, ito yung unang naluto and pumutok siya. So, dapat next time, dapat medyo may space dito sa gilid. And ito medyo makapal to compared dun sa una kong ginawa. And gusto ni Jan, next time pag gumawa ulit ako dito, meron ng carrots and peas. Yung para talagang Aussie na pastry. So, ayan. Pinapalamig ko lang konti para makakain na siya.
My mom is busy making more of these. Mum, what are these called again?
Jamaican patty.
Jamaican patties. And my brother's already finished, and my dad. So I'm gonna try it.
Yung sa kanila, yung ginawa ko, ano siya? Yung parang pastry talaga dito, yung medyo makapal ang ito. Hindi siya yung masyadong flaky. Okay.
Looks really puffy.
Yeah. Kasi dinamihan ko yung laman. Yung sa akin kasi last time, di ba, manipis lang. Kasi gusto ko katulad sa Jamaican.
Oh, it's hard. I can't cut it.
It's hot. Ayan sa kanya. Parang empanada. Empanada. Empanada nga naman ito. Okay. Oh, alright. Ginagawa ko na naman, ginagawa ko yung spicy naman. It's hot, Baba, be careful.
Yeah. Smells so good. Is this like your favorite food in the Philippines?
But this one, like the first one I made, yes, that one is different because that is like
Spicy.
spicy and like the spice, other spices.
I do not know what Dad is saying about Indian.
What Daddy said?
It tastes like Indian, but it does not taste like Indian.
I know.
It tastes Filipino. It doesn't taste like Indian. It tastes just fine. Look at that. I'm gonna wait until it cools down more.
Yes, ayan na yung mga nagawa ko or naluto na Jamaican patties. Ito yung akin, spicy, and yung iba dyan may itlog. And ito yung ginawa ko para sa boys. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, ano siya, bulky, mataba. Itong akin, manipis. Ayan, manipis siya. So, palalamigin ko and ilalagay ko sa freezer. Monday. So, bago ko pick upin si Oli at ihatid sa dance lesson niya, ayan, nakaluto na ako ng ulam ko, yung gulay na may ulo ng hipon. Tapos, yung katawan niya, yung katawan ng hipon, ginawa ko ng creamy garlic prawns para kay Johnny Boy. And, sa kids ay, eto, pork steak. Ayan. So, maya-maya, alis na ako. Pinapalamig ko lang to bago ko siya takpan. And yeah, yan yung dinner. And magluluto ako ng kanin before ako umalis. Tapos, pagdating ng boys, sila na lang ang to turn off kasi safe naman yung rice cooker. So, yan yung dinner for later.